Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will know who is Mr. Beast. Well, James Stephen Jimmy Donaldson was born on May 7th, 1998. He is better known by his honoured alias Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is an American YouTuber, online personality, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He is known for his fast-paced and high-production videos which feature elaborate challenges and large giveaways. With over 274 million subscribers, he is the most subscribed channel on YouTube. Almost all of Mr. Beast's videos are about giving away money or buying very expensive things like food. This content is very different from the usual videos on YouTube and it can be really entertaining at times, which is why it gains a lot of views and therefore increasing his popularity. His channel Mr. Beast was active in 2012. He has 274 million subscribers on main channel and 416 million subscribers on combined channel. He has 50.6 billion views on main channel and 74 billion views on combined channel. He has ranked on the Forbes list for the highest paid YouTube creator in 2022 and he has an estimated net worth of $500 million.